So what's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to turn off autocorrect on iPhone on the latest update iOS 26. Autocorrect can be helpful, but sometimes it changes words you didn't want changed, especially if you use slang, abbreviations, or multiple languages. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to turning it off and back on again. So firstly, all you have to do is find and tap the Settings app on your home screen. Scroll down and then select General. Now inside General, tap on Keyboard and find Auto Correction and then tap the toggle to switch it to off. If the toggle is green, autocorrect is on, and it's the otherwise. And if you want to turn it back on, simply repeat the simple steps and tap on the Auto Correction toggle again so it turns green. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.